We have two Handelman pumps. We have two Aquajet cutters. So we have two systems. One system can be running in Louisiana and the other system can be running in Minnesota. So they need to run, they need to perform, and as long as you take care of the aqua cutter and do normal maintenance to it, our aqua cutters have ran quite efficiently for us. My name is Donald LaViers. I'm a partner in 2X Hydro-Demolition. We're located in East Tennessee, near Knoxville, Tennessee. We specialize in doing hydro-demolition, water treatment, cleanup, and the larger, higher profile jobs. We used the Aquajet one unit on a bridge in Louisiana this last Sunday. And we removed a portion of the bridge deck that needed to be repaired from where a truck had an accident. This is a major bridge on I-10 that connects Louisiana with Texas, and Texas. It's a major 19-mile long bridge, and we went out there on one weekend and used the Aquajetter to fix one lane, and then after that lane was repaired, we went back a couple weekends later and used the Aquajet to repair the other lane. And we removed the concrete, cleaned the concrete up, removed the debris for the general contractor to put an overlay on the bridge so the bridge would not further deteriorate from the accident. That was an emergency repair, and it took about, each weekend we were there about 12 hours. You know, the machine is well thought out, well engineered, and has performed well for us.